Hello everyone, welcome back. Today our topic is designing an efficient network infrastructure for protection data. So let's get started. I have opened the page of vm.com. You can also visit this site for such amazing information. So let's get started. Here's today we are going to discuss about this important topic of designing and efficient network infrastructure, that in which way we can start it. So let's get started. With good reason, backup administrators are likely quite familiar with the 3-2-1 rule for backup. This rule provides a straightforward framework that offers resiliency when it comes to data protection. For those unfamiliar with this rule, it is defined as having three copies of your data on two different mediums, e.g., disk and tape, one of which is immutable or offline. When protecting NAS data, the two different mediums portion of this rule can only really be accomplished by performing a copy over the network. Depending on the amount of data that's being copied and the efficiency of your method and transport, this process can take anywhere from minutes to hours or days. Traditional NDMP backups, for example, do not handle large backups properly. In fact, in some cases, large volumes can take weeks to back up. Most enterprises cannot afford to have an RDP or RPO measures in week. With this in mind, file level backups typically leverages NAS's network connectivity to copy this data elsewhere. This is where fast network backup essential. To meet desired RPOs, 10 GB networking is generally considered the bare minimum. However, most modern CPUs can generate 10 GB network interfaces, creating a bottleneck. In these situations, 40 GB or faster interfaces are another option that you can consider. Additionally, verifying MTU settings across your entire network path is essential. Some organizations fully embrace jumbo frames and others do not. Although performance increases are typically seen when using jumbo frames, mismatched MTUs getting in the data flow path will hurt throughput. Standard interface you will want to check includes. So now we are gonna tell you about that, which things you should check before standard interface you will want to check includes. First of all, network interface on the NAS itself, you have to check that. Second one, top of rack switches for backup source and destinations. Third one is core router and switches. Fourth one is any firewalls or other security devices that may be in the path. The receiving devices, whether it be NAS, file servers, tape libraries, or something else. So these things includes in it. Whenever possible, a dedicated network for backup is recommended since it brings many benefits, including segregation from production workloads, which minimize the impact of high network traffic. A smaller scope of a device and interface may be financially favorable when considering high-end networking devices, e.g. 10 GB versus 40 GB, more granular access controls and security. So this is the way by which you can start your designing and much more things with the help of these tools. So I hope guys you understand that point. See you again next video. Thanks for watching.